broccoli, and some other stuff.
Get in there now.
Guys, I'm back. I keep trying to put the camera on, but it kicks me off.
Yeah, that's all right. No worries. Where are you now?
I'm just by the train station. I'm just there, just having a smoke.
Oh, right, cool.
What? What? I ain't looking for you. I ain't looking for you. I'm not looking for you. Fuck off. Fuck off. Go on then. Go on.
Bongos.
Go on. Go on. Staff know what?
Who the
Staff
fuck
know
is
what?
that? Who's that in the background?
Fuck off. Jamie.
It's like a,
Fuck off.
like
I'm not here for Dylan. Fuck off. I'm here for Dylan. I'm coming for Dylan. No, fuck off.
What are you doing on there?
What? You think I'm playing?
You're going to get arrested.
Cracking one, Natalie. Cracking one. Hit him, Nat.
Oh, fuck off. Jamie, get off me.
the guy's like, you're gonna get arrested. What the fuck?
Jamie,
Get him arrested, Nat.
Is that his name, Jamie?
Is that Mongo? Is that Mongo?
He's just holding me and he won't let me go. Jamie, get off me.
Yeah, that's Mongo, man. Get him arrested for harassing you, Nat.
Call the police. If he's all over you, just fucking. Is he threatening you though? What's he? Oh, good grief, that sounds brutal.
Get him arrested.